These are the ingredients of my adobo. So, onion, garlic, ginger, leaves of laurel, and seed of this black pepper, and ajinomoto, salt, vinegar, and soy sauce, and also my meat. I already saute this one because I really like a brown one of meat. So I put a 2 tablespoon oil here because I'm going to put the onion and other spices. I'm going to put the onion like that. Unahon na ko ang onion para dili masunog. Ginger and also the garlic. Lagay ko to yung dahon para mabango. After this one, pagluto nito, tanggalin ko yan. So, let's continue stirring this one until it's golden brown. Slightly lang, hindi masyadong brown na brown kasi masusunog na yun. Char, para naman akong chef. But it based on my experience talaga. Masunog talaga yung garlic ay pait. So, I'm gonna put my pork. Let's stir it. I'm gonna add my other spices like this one. Leaves of laurel. Wait. I'm gonna put the seed of black pepper. This one. Yung buo lang ilagay. Depende sa gusto mo ilagay. A ground one or yung buto talaga. Pero mas prefer ko yung buto kasi parang mas masarap siya. Mahalimuyak. Yan. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung suka. Put then I'm gonna add my soy sauce para later makita ko kung ano na siya brown talaga. I add a little. I add a half this one here only. Katulad ng suka. Stir it. Also, I'm gonna add water. Also, my ajinomoto like this. Tak, tak, tak. Konti lang. Tapos, asin. I'm gonna add a 1 tablespoon brown sugar. This one. Para masarap. Para blended ang lasa mamaya. Para mag-blend yung asin, toyo, yung sugar. This is what I'm cooking right now.